Welcome to our tutorial on how to make small talk in Bangla. Small talk is an essential part of communication in any language, and it can be especially challenging when you are trying to do it in a new language. But don't worry, we are here to help you learn the basics of making small talk in Bangla. Here are some sentences to get you started with. When you meet someone, you may break the ice by commenting on the weather. It's a safe and easy topic to start with. For example, you may say, বাইরে প্রচুর গরম পড়ছে. বাইরে প্রচুর গরম পড়ছে, meaning it's really hot outside. Similarly, বাইরে প্রচুর ঠান্ডা পড়ছে. বাইরে প্রচুর ঠান্ডা পড়ছে, meaning it's freezing outside. আজকের আকাশটা অনেক সুন্দর, তাই না? আজকের আকাশটা অনেক সুন্দর, তাই না? The sky is beautiful today, isn't it? Secondly, you may ask open-ended questions. There are questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no and require a more detailed answer. For example, you may ask, weekend kemon katlo? Weekend kemon katlo? Meaning, how was your weekend? এই উইকেন্ডে কি করছো? এই উইকেন্ডে কি করছো? Or এই উইকেন্ডে কি করছেন? এই উইকেন্ডে কি করছেন? Meaning, what's your plan for this weekend? Remember, korcho is used for addressing peers and juniors, whereas korchen is used for addressing seniors and unknown people. আপনার চাকরি কেমন যাচ্ছে? আপনার চাকরি কেমন যাচ্ছে? Or তোমার চাকরি কেমন যাচ্ছে? তোমার চাকরি কেমন যাচ্ছে? Meaning, how's your work going? Also remember here, tomar is used for addressing peers and juniors, whereas apnar is used for addressing seniors and unknown people. তোমার ব্যবসা কেমন যাচ্ছে? তোমার ব্যবসা কেমন যাচ্ছে? Or আপনার ব্যবসা কেমন যাচ্ছে? Meaning, how's your business going? কেমন গেল আজকের দিন? কেমন গেল আজকের দিন? How was your day? কি করছো আজকাল? কি করছো আজকাল? Meaning, what have you been up to lately? Or, what are you doing these days? Similarly, কি পড়ছো আজকাল? Or, কি পড়ছেন আজকাল? Meaning, what are you reading these days? কি দেখছো আজকাল? Or, কি দেখছেন আজকাল? Meaning, what are you watching these days? কি শিখছো আজকাল? Or, কি শিখছেন আজকাল? Meaning, what are you learning these days? Remember, the most important thing is to be confident and to practice as much as you can. With time and practice, you'll be able to make small talk in Bangla with ease. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next tutorial.